Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AcoEd Academy, where we explore different kinds of accounting concepts and other topics as well. Today we are going to decode trial balance. Now, what is trial balance? Trial balance is a statement that lists all the ledger accounts and their respective balances. It is usually prepared in monthly, quarterly, or annually. Now, what is the purpose to prepare this trial balance? To check the arithmetic accuracy of the ledger accounts. Guys, I would appreciate to all of you if you please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my upcoming videos. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon, like and share. That will encourage me to prepare some more valuable contents for you in the future. So let's go to our next point. Now, why we prepare or while we are preparing the trial balance, what are the key points you have to remember? Every transaction, as I told in my previous video, has two sides. One is debit and the other is credit. Our second key point is that the total debit side must be equal to total credit side. And the third key point is that if the trial balance doesn't agree to the both sides, you will definitely be sure that you have done something mistakes in your journalize the transaction. It is my video to students and working professionals also. Why I am talking this? Because most of the students try to memorize the thing while they prepare trial balance. But I would recommend to all students not to memorize. Just follow the steps what I am explaining in my videos and remember these things. You will definitely get success to prepare the trial balance in an effective manner. And for the working professionals, it is very important to understand the trial balance to prepare the profit and loss account and the balance sheet, right? If you can remember correctly, in my previous video, I explained about one accounting equation, which is assets equals to liabilities plus capital, right? I have already explained about 5 key terms: assets, liabilities, capital, income, and expenses, and their definition I also discussed. So now what I am assuming, suppose a company is making a profit. Now, when I'm saying that making a profit, that means when a company makes a profit, when the income is more than expenses, right? So this is nothing but, guys, it is only an algebraic equation, and I will just expand it according to my requirement, and I will get to know how to prepare and which accounts are to be debited and which accounts are to be placed in the credit side in the trial balance. Why I said to be placed? Because as I said earlier, trial balance is not an account, it's just a statement, right? So let's go further. I have added profit, so that comes to assets equals to liabilities plus capital plus profit. Now, if I break down profit a little bit, that will be income minus expenses. So my equation will be assets equals to liabilities plus capital plus, within first bracket, income minus expenses. Now I am removing the bracket. So what will come to know? Assets equals to liabilities plus capital plus income. And as you know, plus minus, if you multiply, it will come always minus. So that is why I have written here minus expenses. Now I am bringing the expenses onto the left hand side, the negative one. So assets plus equals expenses equals to liabilities plus capital plus income. So this is the structure of a trial balance. If you see minutely, you will find this 100% I am sure. All the assets and expenses are placed in the debit side and all liabilities, capital, incomes are placed in the credit side. So I hope so far so good and you have understood everything what I explained just now. Next point with an example. Suppose a business, ABC Services, and we are going to prepare a trial balance of this company. Now, what I'm explaining here, you will try to correlate this with the accounting equation and you will find it great. Isn't it cool, guys? Okay, let's explain. Cash is an asset and you can see placed in the debit side. Supplies, expenses placed in the debit side. Owner's capital placed in the credit side, it's a capital. Service revenue, it's the income placed in the credit side. Furniture, assets, it has been placed in the debit side. So I have explained why it has been debited, why it has been credited with assets, liabilities, expenses, income and capital. A trial balance is a very fundamental tool in accounting that helps ensure the accuracy of financial records. It is essential for identifying errors and discrepancies before financial statements are prepared. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Acquaid Academy. Subscribe, watch, like, and share. And do not forget to hit the bell icon for my upcoming videos. Please, please, please. Thank you.